How to update profile picture and information. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Then click on the Edit button. Next, to update your profile picture, tap on the cross button at the top of your current picture. Choose a professional and clear image from your device and upload it. Make sure your photo is high quality and shows your face clearly, as this helps clients feel more confident hiring you. Here you will see your profile information where you can update your job title, skills, bio, hourly rate, portfolio, location and languages. Be clear and detailed in your bio to showcase your experience and abilities. Adding accurate skills and portfolio items also increases your chances of getting hired. After making all the necessary updates, tap on the Save button to apply them. Check your profile to ensure everything is accurate and professional. Regularly updating your profile keeps it fresh and appealing to clients. Now you know how to update profile picture and information on People Per Hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.